Hey guys, this is Brody Westner, and today I just received my dream scope. So yes, if you've read the title, I have finally bought my dream telescope. Ever since I've started astrophotography, I've always wanted to own this scope, and now I finally have it. So, without further ado, let's unbox it.
So you packed it pretty well. Let's see what this is. Celestron 8-inch doohickey ring. Okay, so this is the original ring that came with it. On the scope, there's the cable to power it. Okay.
Let's get on with the scope. There it is. Wow. Look at that. So, here it is, my dream telescope, the Celestron 8-inch Edge HD. Now the reason this is my dream telescope is that it's basically a 3-in-1. What I mean by that is, first, got the native focal length, which is 2032 millimeters. Second, you can put the 0.7x reducer on the back, 1280 millimeters of focal length. And lastly, you can get a star zone to hyperstar unit, converting it from a native f10 scope to a f1.9 scope at 390 millimeters of focal length, which I plan on doing in the future. Now I really didn't pay that much for this scope, believe it or not. Bought this second hand off a guy from Cloudy Nights for $700. And judging by what it came with, the dew heater and Bob's knobs, I would say I got a pretty good deal. Now it does have some cosmetic issues, as you can see right here in this little scratch. But the guy said the optics are perfectly fine, so we'll have to see once I get my first light. So, that's it guys, just a quick video unboxing the Celestron 8-inch Edge HD. I'm hoping to upload my first light pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.